Reports are beginning to circulate that Sylvester Stallone is getting ready to bring us another Rambo film. According to the rumor, Rambo 5 would revolve around John J. Rambo taking on a Mexican cartel and is being called his version of No Country for Old Men. John, buy or sell Stallone doing Rambo 5?
Are you going to have Tommy Lee Jones in there too? Okay, look, I got two things on this. Would I like the idea of Rambo 5? You know, I was very down on the idea of Rambo 4. And Rambo 4 came out, and aside from the first one, it might have been the best of the John J. Rambo films. I mean, it was really good. I didn't think it was as good as First Blood. I almost said True Blood. First Blood. But that being said, so I would be open to it. I really do. I don't think Stallone has slowed down one bit as far as action films go. Like, whether you love or hate the films themselves, as an action star, he fits the bill still. I mean, he's still doing it at 70 whatever years old he is. Right. He looks great. He still moves great. He does great one-liners. So I'd be in for that. So I'm going to buy the concept, but I got to sell that I think it's actually true. I don't think that these rumors going around are actually true. I don't think it's going to happen. I mean, the description of him taking on the Mexican drug cartel are at least more viable than that old description we heard about a year ago, saying he was working on Rambo 5 and it was going to be like some mystical creature that he starts hunting.
Right, I remember, like a predatory type
yeah,
of thing.
that's immortal and things like that. So it's like, what, Rambo versus the Mummy?
No way. Yeah.
So I buy the concept, but I sell that it's actually true. Dennis?
I just sell the idea of Rambo, what is this, 5, 6, whatever
this
the hell
5.
it is. I sell it because remember when he came back with his two franchises, Rocky and Rambo, a year after each other. I actually really liked Rocky Balboa. I thought it was like a nice throwback to the old Rockies with the underdog story.
Yeah, I thought it was really nice.
And a story with his son, played by Milo from Heroes.
Right.
But I didn't like Rambo 5. I just thought it was like 4. Just all the, it was ultra violent. It had like a bunch of CG blood. Just didn't do anything for me. And it wasn't a throwback to the First Blood, because First Blood was about like a traumatized Vietnam vet coming back to America and kind of being re-traumatized because everyone rejects him and
not knowing how to reacclimate into North American society.
Exactly. Yeah. And so I thought like the Rambo 4 was going to be like that, but that's not what happened. So I just don't like the idea of it.
Shep?
I absolutely buy it, and I love the idea of Rambo 5. And what you said is why I like it. It's like First Blood, I definitely agree with you. It was a more realistic, grounded film, and it was about the outcasts. Like had a lot of war issues, like the vets and whatnot. Rambo 4, just unapologetic explosion of blood and violence. I stopped counting exploding heads at 25. Because I was counting, I was like, I can't believe they have arrows with exploding heads. Just liquid pulp bodies. It was one of those films that's just a violent, cathartic mess, which was so much fun to see that older, kind of smash-faced, pulpy Stallone, like, all right, I'm gonna do it, oh, with all the other dudes just exploding around him. That's why I'm like, if Rambo 5 can up that a little bit, go hard R and just more exploding bodies, I'm all in. I watched it with a group of fans. We all were like, let's see Rambo 4. And we were all cheering. So it's one of those kinds of like, it's such an ape-like, total throwback to the 80s that I want that now. I would love to see it.
I still always remember that line, we're going there to make a change. You bringing guns? No. Then you ain't changing nothing.
Hey everyone, if you like this video, click that thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe to our AMC Movie News YouTube channel. It's free and helps you stay up to date with all the latest movie news, as well as our daily AMC movie talk show. Also, make sure that you follow us on Facebook and Twitter to stay up to date with all of our special promotions, contests, and prize giveaways.